Now let's look at question number 26 for WAEC Chemistry 2018. Which of the following statements best explains the difference between gas and a vapor? A. Unlike gases, vapors are liquids at room temperature. B. Unlike gases, vapor can easily be condensed into liquids. C. Unlike gases, vapor is readily converted into solids. D. Vapor are generally denser than gases. So how do we go about this? Now I can actually use the elimination method to put this out. Looking at the statement, which of the following best explains the difference between a gas and a vapor? So what is the major difference between a gas and a vapor? Is it that vapor are generally denser than gases? That is not true. This is not true. It actually depends. Some gases have high density, so both of them are actually in gaseous form. Both gases and vapors are classified under gaseous state of matter, and we also have the liquid state and we have the solid state of matter. So but vapor and gases are classified under the same state. So now let's look at other options. Unlike gases, vapor is easily converted into solid. This is not true. I think vapor can actually be easily converted to liquids. So unlike gases, vapor can easily be condensed into liquids. I think this is very close to the answer, or the correct answer. Now we have, unlike gases, vapor are liquids at room temperature. Looking at this, unlike gases, vapors are liquid at room temperature. No, because even at room temperature you can still have vapor in still gaseous phase. You can have substances in gaseous phase. You understand? So it's not this, even at room temperature you can have a vapor. So this is not the correct answer. So this makes B the most likely answer, or you can say the correct answer. Unlike gases, vapor can easily be condensed into liquids. So when you have your vapor, once you reduce the temperature, you can easily convert them to liquid. So that is it. So please, you can actually check this out on the states of matter, or matter as a topic, the initial topics in chemistry. That's where you get this. Thank you and God bless you.